Hello students, myself Patricia, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to start with Unit 7. The name of the poem is Watering Rhyme. Let's start with the first stanza. Early in the morning or the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. So students, we all know very well that the best time to water the plants is in the morning or in the evening time. You can water every kind of flower at that time. And watering at noonday when the sun is very high, when the sun's heat is very high, the flowers die. So we should never water the plants during the afternoon time because the sun is very high and the flowers may die. Let's start with the second stanza. Also when you water at the roots, flower keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. Now students, here when you water the plants, you have to water the plants at the roots. You should never water the plants on the leaves, on the fruits or on the branches or on the stem, but you have to water the plants at the roots because the roots absorb the water and keep the plants alive and fresh. How much you give water to the plant, the earth soaks the water with the heat of the sun, and flowers will have the water for their thirsty roots. So flowers keep their mouths where, that means flowers have their mouth in the ground, and this water is soaked by the earth which is around the plants. Then through all the heat, so the heat absorbs the water and the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. Here the poet is telling that the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet means the plants are considered as thirsty because it is the place where we have to water the plants so that they may have better growth. So this is about the poem Watering Rhyme. Now here are some new words. Let us see the new words. The first word is hour. Hour means what? 1 hour, 2 hour. That is a timing. Noonday means afternoon. Boots means your shoes. Soak means to absorb. So this is what about the poem. I hope so students, this is a very easy poem and you have understood it very well. Thank you students.